What's up, world? It's your girl, BB Ray, your favorite ray of sunshine, even when the sun ain't shining. Still kicking it here with the man of the hour, VEC. Of course, it's Vector, and it is all about Teslim. The energy still lives in me. So, Vector, with all the trials and the glows, what have you realized so far?
I realize baby mama drama is the worst part of being a father. And I should have been like Sound Sultan. If you saw my D, it would mean my brother. And I wish these haters would get at me, the enemy. If they would, I would turn them into sawdust. Cause I believe I got some goons with the G-U, and there go plenty if you call us. I got the soul chick, she's still rockin' anyhow. She a cougar and she thinks I'm Freddy now. She wants me to be her king. Said she go do me things, anything. She said anything. Boy, look, any now. I'm like, wait, ma, you got a nice body, so your age won't matter. Just know a few moments from now, this page won't matter. Minute if we know what we doing from the beginning, we'll be fine. But don't expect me to be something that I wasn't in the first place.
Out here kicking it with me, BB Ray, and things are getting real right here with Vector on this hot summer's day. Speaking of hot, a lot of ladies seem to think that you are just that. Now, I don't know if you know, but you're kind of like a sex symbol out here. But you're not just that, are you? Now, you spoke about not expecting you to be something that you're not. Can you further elaborate?
Look, meaning if we know what we're doing from the beginning, we'll be fine. But don't expect me to be something that I wasn't in the first place. I'm making it known since first base. First base. First base. What's that? What's this first base? Oh, I forgot. Look, that na Yankee slang, them no go understand. Is my god Shanky Shaw, maybe some is a boy research a pen and write about the things that people know. But what about these other things that pop up in my brain? A lot of people I know just want to be entertained. They don't really give a damn about my feelings or my pains and how I feel when I lose it all. Going deep to the test, going mind deep to the test, but I'm never scared. When I come across a hater, I've learned how to be patient using that Globacom data. Boy, I'll be fine. Shh. Teslim. Geek on BA.
Yeah, Alhamdulillah. Okay. God is great, I can't lie. Let's get this paper, my guy. Ignore the haters, my eyes are focused on the cash, trying to get the next payday. Never focus on the nyash, man's a baller like JJ. Alhamdulillah. Yeah, what you want, I'm the guy. Take both bags if you can't decide. Been killing this game like it wants to die. Like, I'm the guy, ask the guy you thought was the guy. If you don't say I'm the guy, that's a lie, because I'm the guy. Yeah, if I beef with you, gonna make you rich, so y'all gotta pay me. And me and Vector are cool, even though we don't chat on the daily. Look at Young Six coming for the goddamn C, man, that shit pain me. And my guy Loose, he got the Jordan Connect like he's Israeli. Me could not hear me. Some of you know they ever get the message and that's on glow. Me, I like the way that I be feeling now when that's on pole. But you knew that. Anybody wanna get to rap and we can make it happen, no, my guy, sure. I got you. But remember, no be only Tiwa Savage, that's on go.
Yo, keep that same energy, fam.
Don't be lie. Let's make this paper, my guy. This life is vapor and vibes. My eyes are focused on the cash, trying to get the next payday. Never focused on the nyash, man's a baller like JJ. Alhamdulillah. What you need, I'm the guy. Take both bags if you can't decide. Killing this game like it wants to die. You better ask somebody. I'm the guy, ask the guy you thought was the guy. If you don't say I'm the guy, that's a lie, because I'm the guy. I'm the guy for all seasons. On the stage of board meetings. You ain't real, we can't be friends. That seat is taking no vacancy. On my team, there's no pretense. There's nobody weak, we work weekends. When we ride out, I'm on C-bands. Whole team good, I'm on C-bench. PSG off the rap game. I'm the guy, I'm Mbappe. Whole team get plans like captains. We all share the ring, it's like tag team. Pre the numbers, the traction. I stand above like a fraction. Am I the guy, I'm in fashion. Just let me go, Kim Kardashian. Is that your girl over there who saw my neck then started chain reacting? She looked like she like batting. With that ass she got back pain. Facts. We got masks, we got vaccines. So you can get short, keep acting. Most of y'all niggas acting. So where y'all at when it's action? I'm a 5-star general in the rap game, I've done my thing. Top of the rap game in 3 different decades, call my king. All I need right now is a Niger girl to call my queen. When this shit drop to the man, them cop it like vaccines. You know how we be when I'm in the mood. I sabi this rap team well, I been beat. The whole game been in soup like Begiri. My mouth big past my teeth, that 33. Enter room, scatter everywhere, kiki. You the greatest of all time, that's how we be. Been doing it since 08, my first CD. These niggas can't do it like this, you kidding me? Yeah, it's me, the guy.
Yeah. La Viage. Sham. Look. See, I don't know about you, but I'm the only number one from the 2, 3, 4. I like it, Jojo. I'm Sean Kuti when I'm smoking rappers, whether white or brown. Yeah, I do spit raw. I like it, Jojo. See, I don't know about you, but I'm the only number one from the 2, 3, 4. I like it, Jojo. I'm Sean Kuti when I'm smoking rappers, whether white or brown. I really do spit raw. I like it, Jojo. Jesse Jags, you're my buddy. I couldn't do this in a hurry, but the truth about your brother's been blurry. So sometime in this sermon, I'll say some uncomfortable facts to show his fans their goat is really a rat. Let's start the lecture with a brace yourself. I know if you encountered you would hate yourself. Who are the rappers that I put on? Many more plus 2 out of your 3. And I didn't sign anything, I did it all for free. Since you were scratching on the surface like your DJ Lambo, how about the guns you brought to help one become Rambo? The next one I did a feature with, trended years ago. Still mentioned it in a tweet, and it trended on the go. So what am I supposed to do? Sign a man I wouldn't sign. I don't do politics music, leaving people suffering behind. The Yoruba people have a saying, any dale lo bale lo. Embody is living with visionscape, oh yeah, ko bale lo. You call yourself a teacher, but your students failed in real life. Your brother was such a gift, you wrapped away from the light. I mean, you claim helping people who are struggling to make it. Well, Jesse's struggling to make it. You de Lagos, you de Floss, Chamansa, you na boss. But your brother went from Lagos to Ondo, then to Jos. Chalk City went down from all that fuckboy antics. The last I checked, Jesse was in a Chalk Boy mansion. But since your big brother evicting him is part of the game, you didn't care about your father, the one you both share his name. And now you're trying to be my father. LOL, that's what he said. I'm sure everybody knows my father is dead. I mean, your father raised you in the way of the Lord, but we never see you acting in the way of the Lord. Is it the Lord's way to only act when you make gain? How many rappers have you supported without making any gain? Who spends money on rap events? I dare you to name a name. If it's not Hennessy, I dare you to name a name. I've given more rappers shine than you ever will try. You had Hennessy before me, but you never could try. And I don't think you're the government, but your people love you. They fight my superior rap self just for being above you. The least you could have done was lead in lending a voice, but you did Lagos campaigning shiny teeth for any invoice. I stopped judging success by the kind of money I make, or the house that I built, or the rents that I paid. I think a successful man is one who knows himself. That thinking is far from you, cause it's top of the shelf. I know the day will come when everyone you lifted will speak. People will know you lifted them to step on them to your peak. And how are you the only one surviving as an artist? You signed a rapper for so long, I guess he's nothing but your artist. How you not confused? The whole story is whack. Think about it, the only light in the story is black. You advertised your ass a lot, went to Abuja a lot. I came back with more money, let that story be that.